If it's out of the box, no box, I get 5.
What's up, guys, man? You already should know how it go. It's your boy B, back with another video. If you guys don't know already, my name is Brandon Jones, and I specialize in helping you make an extra income. Guys, so I have a special video for you. A lot of people have been asking me to do this video. If you're somebody that is interested in or doing phone flipping, this is the video for you. I'm being fully transparent and helping you guys in the best way possible, and that includes helping you guys find a way to make money. And I just want to say this, right? Phone flipping, it's not a hack to becoming rich in life. It's not any of that. It's an extra income, and it's something that I do. I am not a full-time only doing phone flipping type of guy. That's not who I am. That's not what this channel is about, just flipping phones. But what I do want to continue to do is drop knowledge on you guys when I do get it, or when I have something that offers it to you. I'm not about money. I don't care about your money. If you go on I'mHustlersMindset.com, you can see all of my prices are very reasonable. You can also cut all your payments down into installments. When somebody is telling me how they are benefiting from my course, it does nothing but make me feel wonderful. It does nothing but make me want to continue to go and continue to thrive, to become even bigger in this space and provide more and more material to you guys. Now, when it comes to my courses will cover every single thing you need to do to flip phones, but also, guys, you get exclusive access to me. All right, and what I mean by you get exclusive access to me, I am creating a community, okay? A community of people that are not only flipping phones, not only selling on MERCARI, but people that are participating and making extra incomes in general. Now, why do you need an extra income? You need an extra income because you never know when your stable one is going to be unstable. You never know when a pandemic is going to come. You never know when somebody else is going to do something that affects your money. And it sucks because a lot of people had to wait until COVID came for them to understand that, guess what? You think you're in control, but you're really not. If your job wants to, they can lay you off at any point in time, and you have to be able to sustain yourself. You got to be able to make money the way that you need to be able to provide the lifestyle that you want to have. And a lot of people do not have that. A lot of people do not have stable incomes like they really think they do. If you see what I'm saying, if you catch my drift. A lot of people think that just because they have a job, the job is going to be able to fuel them for the rest of their lives. Especially if you're single, guess what? You have a lot of money to spend on yourself. You got to spoil yourself. You got to take care of yourself. And that's where extra incomes and extra income streams come into place. And that is why, me personally, I am a big believer in making more money, okay? It's not enough income streams in the world for me to sit there and kick my feet back and just chill. No, I want to continue to make money because I have kids. I have a family. My why is because I want to make sure that my kids don't have to struggle like I had to. I want to make sure my kids don't have to sleep under cars, don't have to be homeless, don't have to start from the bottom repeatedly over and over because they keep failing and failing and failing. I want to make sure that my kids are stably assisted with different ways to make and generate money. Now, this video, of course, is about phone flipping and about how you guys can access the price list, okay? If you guys don't know, I have a website. It's I'mHustlersMindset.com, okay? And this website is just generally based upon you having every single tool I have to make extra income. Whether it's you wanting to start your own cell phone business, whether it's you wanting to sell your own cell phone accessory case business, whether it's you wanting to start an electronic store, whether it's you wanting to be able to just sell on eBay, MERCARI, Amazon. Whether you want to buy anything wholesale, you can go to my website, HeatherConnect.com, and buy things wholesale. I'm not asking you for your tax ID. I'm not asking you for anything. This is literally where you can buy retail or wholesale. So you see something that you like and you want to get it for yourself, you can go to HeatherConnect.com and buy it. If you see something that you like, but you know other people will like, and you want to take it to school, or you want to go ahead, put it on the Shopify without drop shipping, you can go to HeatherConnect.com because we ship within 3 days. So if you order something today, you will be able to get it in 2 to 3 days. Maybe 1, depending on where you live, of course, but we ship that out immediately. So it's really important for you guys to understand that it's so many avenues on I'mHustlersMindset.com for you guys to get money, including courses. So that's where phone flipping comes to play. We have phone flipping courses, we have MERCARI automation courses, and I'm building more, okay? How to sell yourself, how to get each interview aced so you can get a job, how you can sell yourself, like different things to where you actually can implement and make more money, okay? Whether it's you trying to get a nice job, whether it's you trying to make a resume and get a new position that you're not too familiar with or you're not qualified for, how you can speak it into existence, how you can make it happen. I am trying to help everyone out to my best ability because this is what I feel as though I was meant for, okay? Now, guys, when we're talking about the phone flipping price sheet, I do want to say this, okay? I do want to say this. The phone flipping price sheet is going to be something that I already could tell is a hot seller. That thing is selling like hotcakes, and I actually wanted to make this video because I want to show you guys what you're getting, because I really love helping people, and I love the fact that once you get this phone flipping price sheet, you have it for the duration of its use. So that means you can use this thing tomorrow, the next day, the next day, the next week, the next month, the next year, whatever, right? So it looks like this, okay? So it looks like this. I'm in the car actually about to head to a store, but I wanted to show you guys. This price sheet has all of the updated phones, including used phones, including phones that have ICC ID locks, everything, okay? And this price list has the prices that you guys will be able to make from selling your phone. So the way it works, if you're asking, hey Brandon, how does it work? I'm going to give you guys an example, but first I'm explaining. So basically, let's say you have an iPhone 14, okay? You had an iPhone 14 and you brought this from somebody. You brought it from Dick or Jane, whatever, right? You brought it from them. Now what you would do is you would go to the phone price list. Now let's say this is an iPhone 14 Pro unlocked. So you would go to the phone flipping price list that you get on IamHustlersMindset.com. And guess what, guys? You know, okay, if it's sealed, I get $790. If it's activated, I get $690. If it's out of the box, no box, I get $560. So that's easy math, right? So I know for a fact, all right, from the beginning, from the rip, I am going to start from zero. But if I want to get the device, I know I'm gonna be able to sell it for $560. So from that, now all I gotta decide is how much am I willing to spend on this iPhone 14 Pro, right? So it's simple. Me personally, I'd say I want, what, $100 profit. So I'll tell somebody I will pay you $460 for it. And then what you do, you go to your phone flipping price list, right? And then guess what? It tells you all of the information right here. All of the information. Where you ship the phone to, how to get a order started. So the way it works is, number one, before you ship me out a phone, before you ship anybody out a phone, you want to make sure that you have direct contact with the buyer. It's a phone number on there. It says any questions or concerns. It also has an email. So the email, you email IamHustlersMindset@gmail.com. You email me with the IMEI that you want to send, or the IMEIs you want to send. I then give you the instructions. The instructions are basically this. All you have to do is you have to go to, let's say, you can use Microsoft or you can use Google. I use Google. So it would be something like this. All you would do is, let's say you wanted to sell me these phones, right? You want to sell me an iPhone 14 Pro Max 256, an iPhone 14 Pro Max 256, iPhone 14 Pro 128, and let's say that it's a AT&T lock, right? So if it's AT&T lock, what you would do is you would go, and then you would insert the IMEIs in this column. You get what I'm saying? So that's how it'll work. So it's a easy transaction, and it's an easy way for you to be able to sell phones. So you would go, you would put it in the sheet, you would then take a picture of this or screenshot it, and then you would send it to IamHustlersMindset@gmail.com. Then what we will do is we will confirm. So we would tell you, okay, yes, we want these phones, we confirm it, and then that's when you would ship it out. Once you ship the phones out, that's when you receive the money as soon as we get them. You do not receive the money before, because we have had issues before where people are sending us door locks and not phones. Door locks in the box and not phones. So we do have to be careful, but it shows you the address to send it to. It shows you every single thing. So guys, it is easy for you to be able to execute this, okay? It's so easy, all right? You just have to literally pay attention I'm giving you guys a blueprint. If you want to make money, I'm giving you literally how you can make this money. All right, how you can make this money. Call the office 445-500-9600 if you have any questions. But other than that, y'all, it's self-explanatory on the phone flipping price list. Okay, it's really self-explanatory. It's literally self-explanatory, and there's so many ways for you to make money. You can even sell used phones to us. There's so many ways. Okay, you can sell lock phones to us. You can sell anything to us. Okay. There's a lot of ways for you guys to make money. It's just really you guys having the sense of urgency to get it done. And trust me, I understand how it can go and how things can translate as far as, you know, us being procrastinating or us not being consistent, because I've been that type of person. But just know for a fact that once you start, it's going to be a good feeling where you're not going to want to just sit there and you know, not continue. So it's important that we just, you know, get our feet off the ground and try and work to getting 1% better every day. I don't want to sound cliche, but that's really what we got to do. We got to continue to be the best version of us and continue to make things work, you know, and make this money work for us. So I did want to break that down to you guys, because I feel like it's easy. It's not complicated, but at the same time, I don't want to leave anybody in the dark. Now, let's talk about how you can get this, right? So if you guys want to get the phone flipping price sheet, I'm gonna let you guys know right now, I want to have you join us. I want you guys to join us. I want you guys to be as successful as possible. I want you guys to be to the point where you feel that this income source is making you a sustainable amount to your liking. You know what I mean? So it is, you know, it is an investment, but it is also something that you invest, but it won't just work for itself. You still got to put your foot down, if you will, to making sure that you're actually making this a consistent thing. Okay, so the way this works, right? Phone flipping price sheet is easy for you guys to get, and I'm going to actually go ahead and I'm going to show you guys, right? So boom, we at Google right here. I'm going to type in I am hustler's mindset. It's going to pop up. Okay, boom, so it pops up. So the way that you would go and you would get it is you go to classes, you go to phone flipping price list, boom, and it's right there. It's right there. And the cool thing, I have a lot of people, okay, then I'm not just saying this, I have a lot of people that are starting to use Shop Pay, which is pretty cool. $12.50, so you're just paying 4 payments at $12.50 and that's it. You feel me? And this is literally investing in your business or your income stream. And if I'm paying $12 4 times for that, there's no way that you can't get that done. It's literally no way. It's no way. So guys, let's get it, and let's continue to make this stuff work. So I'm telling you right now, add this thing to your cart, man, and get into a position to where you're making yourself better, and you're continuing to find ways to increase your income streams, but also increase your likeliness to not be able to be knocked off a track. And that's one of my biggest reasons for creating this website is I watched my girlfriend struggle. I watched my mother, who is a government worker, not struggle. I watched her be able to obtain money in the darkest of times because she's had, you know, stable incomes. I've watched friends lose everything, their cars and everything, because their boss was mad and didn't like that they did this, so they retaliated in a, you know, irresponsible manner. And I just feel as though there's no reason for us to ever have anybody be able to stop us from being the best versions of ourselves, you know. So let's just continue to try and be better, and let's continue to try and make the most out of the tools that we have, y'all. I know we can do it. So I will talk to y'all later. Thank you so much for stopping by. Peace.
30 hertz straight up.